Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope you all are doing well by the grace of Allah. Once again, welcome you all with new concepts in math. I hope you enjoyed and understood the previous lecture, the conversion of units of measurements. Now we are going to discuss another type of measurement in lecture number 21. The topic is time from exercise 5C. Now let's discuss what is time. Time is something that everyone is familiar. Means 60 seconds is equals to minutes, 60 minutes is equals to 1 hour, and 24 hours is equals to 1 day, and so on. Time is very important part of everyone's life. We all know time never stops for anyone and always moves forward. Time always moves forward from present to future, not present to past. If anyone say you to draw time, what would you draw? You must draw a clock, because the measuring device of time is clock. My dear students, when we divide our clock into two equal halves, the right hand side of the clock shows the past time and the left hand side of the clock shows two time. The number of minutes between every two numbers are 5 minutes. So when the minute hand moves from 12 to 1, the 5 minutes passed. Then 1 to 2, 10 minutes passed. Then 3, quarter past. Quarter past means 15 minutes. Quarter means 15. Then move to 4, 20 minutes passed. Then 5, 25 minutes passed. And on 6, how many minutes are passed? That is called half past. And half past means 30 minutes. Now we are moving towards the two time part of the clock. When we move from 6 to 7, now we cannot say 35 minutes passed. We can say 25 to the next hour, means 25 minutes are left in the next hour. When move to 8, 20 minutes to next hour. On 9, quarter to next hour. Quarter to means 15 minutes to next hour. Then on 10, 10 minutes to next hour. On 11, 5 minutes to next hour. And on 12, we can say o'clock. So you can see the 4 important points of the clock. At 12, when the minute hand is at the 12, we say o'clock. On 3, quarter past. On 6, half past. And on 9, it is quarter to. There are 5 minutes between every two numbers of the clock. So we can find the number of minutes with the help of the table of 5. 1 times 5 is 5. 2 times 5 is 10. 3 times 5 is 15, means quarter. 4 times 5 is 20. 5 times 5 is 25. 6 times 5 is 30. 30 minutes means half past. 7 times 5 is 35. 8 times 5 is 40. 9 times 5 is 45. 10 times 5 is 50. 11 times 5 is 55. And 12 times 5 is 60. It means how many minutes are there in 1 hour? There are 60 minutes in 1 hour. There are 60 minutes in 1 hour. It means to complete 24 hours, the minute hand moves clockwise round the clock 24 times. One time 60 minutes, second time 60 minutes, third time. It means it moves 24 times round the clock every day. But the hour clock moves round the clock twice every day. One time to complete the first half of the day, and after that one round to complete the second half of the day, because there are 24 hours in a day, and these 24 hours are divided into two parts, are the two halves of the day. Now what is AM? AM stands for ante-meridiem, means two Latin words meaning before noon or midday. What is PM? PM stands for post-meridiem. These are the two Latin words also for afternoon or midday. It means the second half of the day shows PM time. You should always remember that each part of the clock, or each 15 minutes of the clock, called quarter. Now, how many quarters are there in a clock? There are 4 quarters in a clock. Now, let's tell the time. In this clock you can see that the hour hand or the short hand of the clock is at 1 and the long hand of the clock is on 12. So what is the time here? When the minute hand is on 12 and the hour hand on any number, that is clock, that is the time o'clock. So here what is the time? The time is 1 o'clock. Now when our hand is on 1 or the minute hand is on 3, means how many minutes passed? 1 times 5 is 5, 2 times 5 is 10, 3 times 5 is 15. So how many minutes passed? 15 minutes passed. And when we say 15 minutes passed, we say quarter past. So what time is it? Here, quarter past 1. You should always remember that each part of the clock, or each 15 minutes of the clock, called quarter. So how many quarters are there in a clock? There are 4 quarters in a clock. In this clock, the minute hand is on 9. Now how many minutes passed? 45 minutes passed. But how many minutes are left? 15 minutes are left. So the time in this clock is quarter to, because 15 minutes are left to the next hour. We were discussing the hour 1. Now how many minutes are left? 15 minutes are left to 2. And that is called quarter to 2. In this clock you can see the minute hand is at 3 and the hour hand is near 8. So what time is it? When long hand of a clock move on 3, it shows quarter past time. So the time is in this clock is quarter past 8 because it is nearest to 8, not 9. It means the how many minutes are passed in 8? 15 minutes passed in 8. Now in this clock you can see the long hand or the minute hand is on 6 and the hour hand in between 7 and 6. It means when the minute hand or the long hand is on 6, the time is half past. So how many half past is there? Half past 6. When long hand of a clock moves on 6, it shows half past time. In this clock you can see the long hand or the minute hand of the clock is on 6 and the hour hand in between 6 and 7. So what time is it? It is confirmed that the minute hand is on 6, the time is half past. So what is the time is here? Half past 6. And always remember, when long hand of a clock move on 6, it shows half past. And half past means 30 minutes past. Now let's see another clock. Now in this clock, the long hand or the minute hand is on 9. It means the time is quarter to or 15 minutes to the next hour. Always remember, when long hand of a clock move on 9, it shows quarter to time and it means quarter to. There is another type of clock in which we can see the time in digits. A clock which shows the time in digits called digital clock. Let's convert the digital time in words. Here is the time is 5 o'clock. So how will we write in words? We will write 5 o'clock. See another example. What time is it? 9:08 means 8 minutes past 9. In our next lecture, inshallah, we will continue chapter number 5, measurements, the topic time. And the topics are 24 hours clock, the conversion of 24 hours clock into 12 hours clock or 12 hours into 24 hours clock, and comparison of both the types of clock, the 24 hours clock and 12 hours clock. Alright, my dear students, I hope you have got the concept of time and enjoyed this topic. Now this is the end of the today's lecture, but you have to remember, practice makes perfect. Practice more and more as you can. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.